C#, pronounced C#, is a modern, object-oriented, and type-safe programming language developed by Microsoft as part of its .NET framework. It is designed for building a wide range of applications, from desktop and web applications to cloud-based services, mobile apps, and games. Key features of C#. 1. Object-oriented programming, OOP. Supports key OOP concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, making it easier to design scalable and maintainable applications. 2. Type-safe. Prevents type-related errors by enforcing strict type checking at compile time, ensuring code reliability and security. 3. Component-oriented. Enables developers to create reusable software components. 4. Rich library support. Comes with the extensive .NET Framework class library FCL that provides pre-built functions for file handling, database interaction, graphics rendering, and more. 5. Cross-platform. With .NET Core now part of .NET 5+, C# supports cross-platform development for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. 6. Automatic garbage collection. Frees developers from manual memory management, reducing memory leaks and improving application performance. 7. Interoperability. Provides mechanisms to interact with other languages and platforms, such as calling native Windows APIs or using COM objects. 8. Asynchronous programming. Offers built-in support for asynchronous programming with the async and await keywords. 9. LINQ, Language Integrated Query. Integrates query capabilities into the language, enabling easy manipulation of data from various sources. 10. Versatility. Ideal for a wide range of applications, including web apps, ASP.NET, Windows apps, WinForms, WPF, games, Unity, mobile apps, Xamarin, MAUI. Why learn C#? Beginner-friendly. C# syntax is clean and easy to understand, making it suitable for beginners. High demand. It's a popular choice for enterprise and commercial applications, ensuring good career prospects. Versatile use cases. From game development to cloud computing, it's a language that spans many domains. Common applications of C#. 1. Web development, using ASP.NET Core or ASP.NET MVC for building dynamic web applications. 2. Game development, widely used in game development through Unity. 3. Desktop applications, building GUI applications with Windows Forms, WinForms, and Windows Presentation Foundation, WPF. 4. Mobile applications, developing cross-platform mobile apps using Xamarin or MAUI. 5. Cloud services, creating scalable cloud-based applications using Azure.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channel.